.com or 818-865-0605.
Come on, feet. Start moving. Got to get me there. Ho! Oh, yeah.
Mama, come to my house. Yeah.
Welcome back.
Come on, girl. All right, anyway.
It's the PM show.
We're going to do Eve, and then Mark, and then we're going to do Ernie, and then Bill if we got time. If we got time. Okay.
All right, let's jump on it. Eve.
Eve, what's up?
Hi, Eve.
Eve, where are you, baby? Talk to us.
Hey, Eve.
Hi. First, I want to say hello to both of you.
Hi.
Jennifer and Bob.
Thank
and
you.
I've never called in before. And I want to thank you for taking my call.
Pleasure.
Of
Okay?
course.
I want to tell you, Bob, that I've enjoyed the program. I've only been listening to it for probably the last, maybe 6 weeks. And I want to say that you have this program makes me feel like you're the man next door.
That's who I am.
He is.
I know. I'm just so impressed.
Thank you.
I am so impressed. It's as though that you're a friend, not just a celebrity on television.
Thanks so much.
But I'm not really calling for me. I sent you an email about a month ago, and grant you, I understand how backed up you are. I totally
am.
understand.
I am.
I know.
But I get them all, and I read them all, and eventually,
Right.
I'll get to it.
I understand that, and I wrote the email because I didn't want to tie up your airlines, the
right.
line because of the fans and so forth. I'm actually calling for 2 of my grandsons,
Okay.
all right, who just adore you.
Tell them
All right.
thanks. Thanks, grandsons.
I know. They're 10 and 12.
Perfect.
They watch you every Thursday. Well, we have syndication on Black Sheep here,
Yes.
and it's on at 7 o'clock every Saturday and Sunday evening on digital television.
Neat.
Well, I don't know if you can do this or not, and I had wrote you an email regarding how they felt about you, and my son, which is their father, he censors everything they watch, and I just want to say that to get past my son is a miracle in itself.
Okay, good for your son.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the kind of editing I like. Let the parents do it.
I'm very proud of him. I mean, he has to watch or read everything, and that was in the email prior to the boys reading or seeing anything.
All right, do me a favor.
So-
Do me a favor. Do another email and do it as soon as you can, and then I'll get it. But you got to do it right away because I'm really buried here. And if I don't get it before I leave today, I'll ask Rebecca to look for it.
Perfect.
Okay?
All right.
All right.
I want to let you go, but next Thursday, if it's at all possible, that's why I called in tonight. Next Thursday is my little guy's 10th birthday. If there's anything you can mention his name or whatever.
Okay, good.
then I
What
will
is his
forward-
name?
His name is Blake Angel, but he has a brother named Nicholas, and I sent you a picture of them, and they're holding I think it's a B-54 bomber. They're avid World War II buffs.
Blake.
We'll remember. So
Yeah, we'll
Blake
remember. We'll do
Angel
Blake. We'll do a happy birthday to him.
and his brother
That
Nicholas.
would be great. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Nicholas is the oldest, but the birthday is Blake Angel. their last
we
name.
go.
got it.
Yeah, it's Blake's day. We don't care about
It's
Nicholas.
Blake.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so
Listen,
much.
I will send you another email, and I appreciate your time. And it's wonderful. I listen every Thursday evening now.
Thank you
thank
for the
you.
phone call, Eve.
And thank you for having me.
Give me that
Bye-bye.
email, girl. Bye-bye.
Okay.
All right, so now we go to
going to
Mark in
Mark.
Wisconsin. Look at who's there.
Hey, Mark.
Hi, guys. How are you?
In-studio visitors.
Yeah, they have their own show. We can plug it, but first we got to do Mark, and if we have time, we're going to plug your show. We will. Mark, what's up?
Hey, buddy, how you doing? Hey, Jennifer.
Hey, Mark.
Man, I tell you got the greatest voice in the world. I've said it once. I'll say it again. It's very nice to hear you on the radio, and even though I love your father, you have a great voice. And Robert.
I love you.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's got a great puss, too.
No, you're great.
She's got a nice face,
hey,
too, man.
Ernie is the greatest guy in the world. I met him, and me and him, we met by design. It was It was a great visit down there. I wish you were there to have dinner, and I would have taken care of it for you.
Good. Thanks a lot for that generous offer, and I'm sure I'll get to see you. And don't forget, you said it, and I know where we can do dinner.
Yeah, and Jennifer, dinner's on me too.
All right,
wow.
I'm going to take you up on that.
I'm like RC.
But you're married.
Yeah,
but no buts. You're married.
Yeah, but
Thanks.
it's friends.
Okay,
It's friends.
Friends
Just
to the
friends.
end.
Yeah, I used to lay that BS down too, but we're friends. Okay.
And is your father listening, Jennifer?
No.
I don't think so.
No,
I don't know.
All
So
right,
he
all
won't.
right.
He won't
Robert,
mind.
this is for you. And you know what CRN really stands for?
Conrad Robert Norton.
Conrad Radio Network.
Oh, God bless
We're
you.
going to change the name,
Thanks,
Mark.
man.
And like I said, Robert, too, that YouTube, I want your listeners to understand it's a new one for you, and I'm sure they'll love it. It's Robert Conrad, Mr. Chicago. And the premise is from rags to riches, the rest is history.
Hey, thanks, man. Now, listen, we're going to do our commercial, and we're going to get rid of you, and then we're going to Ernie, and that's awesome. And then we got Bill waiting, and I don't know about Michael in Arizona.
We'll do our best, though.
Yeah, we'll do our best. Okay,
And
thanks
for-
a lot, Mark.
Jennifer, for your father, go Packers.
Yeah.
Oh, me too, Mark. I'm all the way Packers.
No, what?
Yes,
What?
sorry.
I quit watching football. The Bears didn't win. Who the hell wants to watch the Packers?
Come on. I'm with you, Mark. They're going to win, too.
They're called
Alrighty.
Packers.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Go Green Bay. I forgot. And, the Super Bowl is my birthday.
Oh,
Just gonna
God
throw it
bless
out there.
America.
Yeah,
Cool.
I know.
When is the Super Bowl?
February the 6th.
No kidding. Okay.
I remember it. All right,
I
we're
know.
coming back with your phone calls, Ernie, a whole lot more. It is the PM show with Robert Conrad on CRN Digital Talk Radio.
If you're a catheter patient on Medicare, you know how expensive it can be. Well, now there's Medical Direct Club, and we're here to help. If you're troubled by the messy procedure or worry about possible infections, Medical Direct Club has the solution for you. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who use our service by calling Medical Direct Club at 1-800-718-2358. Medicare used to pay for only 4 catheter